Hi everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you a feature update for sponsored display. Sponsored display can be used for on Amazon and off of Amazon advertising. So, for example, this is an example for Twitch. So, it basically says to help you further build your brand, some of your product targeting campaigns may expand ad serving off of Amazon. So, basically, now they're expanding to advertising off of Amazon, and we can advertise to third party websites and apps to our detail pages on Amazon. Okay, so what they have done in this regard is now they have introduced this feature. It's called Sponsored Display Deny List, right? So you can basically block your ads from appearing on sites and apps that you specify. So this is sort of like product negating or keyword negating. So when you negate a keyword or when you negate a product ASIN, then it doesn't show up. So this is the same thing. So because now you can, you know, now they're going to expand our product ads to different apps and different websites. Now they have included this sponsored display deny list, which allows you to make sure that your ads don't appear on certain sites and certain apps. So, what's the point of this? Is basically Amazon is giving us more options in terms of how we show our ads off of Amazon, as well as they're giving us more control on like which websites and which apps we want to show our product. So I think this is great because it'll basically help save us money and basically have more control over where our ads show and where they don't. That was it for today. I hope that made sense. Thank you very much. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.